Daniel of the DKS.Creates YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. According to Daniel, this is the Dr. Kevorki-Van. It doesn't really have a background story other than bringing miserable souls peace in hell that the earth has become after the days of raining nukes back in 2025. The top light bar is from a F150 Raptor. The antenna is a cat whisker. Axles are wind chimes. The windshield is the original hood. The skull is an air intake, slightly fresh, so there's a bit of a smell still. The roof skylight thing turned into sort of a ram air for the rear engine. Two of the tanks inside hold nitrous for the rear engine, and one tank holds essence of man for the front engine. And some parts look less weathered on purpose. They were recently scavenged. I love the detail on this, and if you look at any of Daniel's normal builds, they're incredibly well detailed. And he's carried that over to this slightly abnormal build. As you saw with the detail on the interior, in addition to the detail on the exterior, this is just really, really well done. Thanks for taking the challenge, Daniel. I really love what you did with this. Everyone, please check out his YouTube channel and his Instagram page. Links to those are in the video description. And I hope you enjoy this build as much as I do. There's more of these challenges coming. There's still quite a number of people on the list for this. So thanks everyone for watching and all of your support. Take care, stay safe out there. Catch you in the next one.